Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 342 East Lake Road on spectacular Canandaigua Lake.
This is an amazing Canandaigua Lake property with over 70 feet of waterfront with a shale beach, all at an amazing value.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
You are warmly greeted with a wonderful lake breeze and this entertainment-sized deck with scenic lake views.
This charming cottage has everything you need to enjoy family and friends. With a white and bright kitchen, a waterfront dining room with a wall of windows, an expansive living room with a bay window, plus 3 spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom, all with breathtaking lake views. Enjoy the lake lifestyle with over 70 feet of waterfront, with a spacious outbuilding, an entertainment-sized 2-tiered deck, and a shale beach, great for swimming or launching your kayak.
This very private eastside location offers the afternoon sun and amazing sunsets. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 342 East Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!